This is a series of videos. Please refer to the methods of stitches, ignoring the yarn color. Select the corresponding yarn colors in your material package to learn. Please refer to both the videos and the instructional brochure during your crocheting process. Please make sure to first view the beginning 10 instructional videos to learn the basic methods of crocheting, and then view the instructional videos for your purchased product.
The Halloween Donuts. Take out the practice yarn and the corresponding crochet hook from the kits. Please watch the tutorial videos and practice the basic stitches first. The crochet methods are exactly the same for each main body of the cat, spider, and multi-eye donuts. Crochet cat donuts with black yarn. Crochet spider donuts with purple yarn. Crochet multi-eye donuts with green yarn. We'll crochet the main body with green yarn for demonstration. Please refer to the same methods to make the other two main bodies with corresponding yarns by yourself. Take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around your little finger and then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. If the yarn tail is too short, we can pull the yarn tail to make it longer. If the yarn tail is too long, we can pull this side to shorten it. Leave a long yarn tail here. First, make a slip knot in this way. Place the hook under the yarn. Twist the hook anti-clockwise to wrap the yarn. Pinch to crossover of the yarn. Yarn over the hook and pull through the loop on the hook. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the loop. A knot is made.
Work into a chain. Wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Pinch the yarn tail. Make slip knot first. Place the hook on the right side of the yarn hook in a counterclockwise direction. Pinch where the yarns cross with your thumb and middle finger. Okay, yarn hook. Pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the loop. A slip knot is made.
In round 1, start with 20 chain stitches. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch.
Make a chain stitch. Yarn hook. Pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch.
Such a V shape is formed on the side. Mark the right loop of the first chain stitch. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. The second chain stitch is done. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. The third chain stitch is done. Continue to work chain stitches in the same way. We need to finish 20 chain stitches in total. Twenty chain stitches are done. Then work one slip stitch in the first chain stitch to form a ring. Remove the marker. Insert the hook into the marked stitch. Yarn under the hook and pull up a loop. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then pull the first loop on hook through the other loop on the hook. That's a slip stitch.
Snip stitch. Insert hook into the next stitch. Hook the yarn. Pull the yarn through the stitch and also pull it through the original loop on the hook. That's a snip stitch. Repeat. Insert hook into next stitch. Hook the yarn. Pull the yarn through the stitch and also pull it through the original loop on the hook. Repeat one more time. Okay, that's a snip stitch.
The slip stitch is a connection. It is not counted into the number of stitches. Then work one chain stitch, yarn over the hook, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then we work 20 single crochets. The hook should go through the left loops of the chains. We need to work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Insert hook into the first loop, where we just work the slip stitch of last round. Yarn under the hook and pull up a loop. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet.
Insert hook into the back loop of the second chain. Pull up a loop. Okay, there are 2 loops on the hook now. Yarn on the hook. Pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet. Place a marker in the first single crochet.
Such a V shape is formed on the side. Each V shape stands for 1 stitch. Mark the first single crochet. Insert hook into the left loop of the next chain. Yarn under the hook and pull up a loop. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. The second single crochet is done. Insert hook into the left loop of the next chain. Yarn under the hook and pull up a loop. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. The third single crochet is done. Continue towards 17 more single crochets in the same way. 20 single crochets are done. We can see two small V shapes here. One is the slip stitch, and the other one is the chain stitch. They are not counted into the number of stitches. Skip these two V shapes and put one slip stitch in the first stitch. Remove the marker. Insert the hook into the marked stitch. Yarn under the hook and put up a loop. There are two loops on the hook. Then put the first loop on hook through the urgent loop on the hook. Tighten up. That's one slip stitch. The slip stitch serves a connection. It is not counted into the number of stitches. Round 1 is done.